Today we will do the lesson microorganisms. I have taken some extra exercise for you people, and today we will do one word filling the blanks and true false, so that there will be more clarity of chapter microorganisms. Okay, now let us start. The first question is C part. You can see answer in one word or few words you can answer. The first part is state whether the following statements are true or false. Now the first part in this is yeast is a fungus. Yes, whether it is true or false. Yeast is a type of fungus, so it is true. Then next question, next part, amoeba is a unicellular protozoa. Unicellular means made up of one type of cell, and protozoa, you know, it was one of the classification of microorganism. Then amoeba is a unicellular, whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true that amoeba is a unicellular also, and it belongs to the category of protozoa. Now third, the bacterium lactobacillus is used in bread making. No, it is not correct. As you know that lactobacillus is the bacteria which is used to convert milk into curd. Okay, and for making bread we use yeast. So the third one, it is false. Now the fourth one, nodules are seen in the roots of pea plant. You know that pea plant are called leguminous plant, and we see root nodules of rhizobium bacteria which fix nitrogen for the plant. So it is true. Now fifth part, antibiotics are the substance used to produce immunity in human being. You know that antibiotic work against the disease caused by bacteria. Okay, so yes, it is used to produce immunity in our body. So it is true. Now sixth part, cholera is caused by a virus. No, for cholera bacteria is responsible, not virus. So sixth one is false. Now question number 7, food preservation reduce wastage of food. Yes, if we preserve the food, then our food wastage can be reduced. So it is true. Now next one was bacteria caused food poisoning. Yes, bacteria and fungi are responsible for causing food poisoning, and you know that whenever these germs enter in our food, they make the food unfit to eat and make it toxic, and we can suffer from food poisoning. Okay, now I think this C part is clear to you all. Then come to C2 part, filling the blanks. Blue green algae fix dash and increase soil fertility. So blue green algae is responsible for fixation of nitrogen. Yes, and you know that nitrogen is very important macronutrient which increase the soil fertility. Okay, now come to second part, bacteria are dash in size than virus. My video also I compare the size of bacteria and virus. So bacteria are bigger in size than virus. Third part, disease causing microbes are called pathogens. Pathogens. The pathogens are the microbes which are responsible for causing disease. Fourth part, alcohol is produced using dash. alcohol can be produced by using yeast. And for competitive view, I can tell you two more enzymes which yeast contain, that is interphase and zymase. Although it is not given in your book, but I am telling you extra. In any competition it can be asked. Interphase and zymase are the enzymes contained by yeast which help in fermentation of glucose, which convert it into alcohol. Now the fifth one, the process of conversion of sugar. Yes, it same came. Conversion of sugar into alcohol in the absence of oxygen. That process is called fermentation. 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 Now sixth part, dash can be induced artificially by introducing dead or weakened microbes in a healthy body. So that is immunity. But it is the answer, immunity. IMMUNITY. Now C3 part, match the following. I think you all are enjoying. First of all, you fill yourself and then tally with my video. AEDS, AEDES. That is, if we see, it is more related to carrier of dengue virus. Okay. Then yeast you can see it is matching with bread making. Rhizobium, nitrogen fixing bacteria, so it is related to soil fertility, fixing nitrogen. Cholera is related to, you can see cholera is much more coming with food. Okay, and bacteria also is coming with food. Okay, so you can add cholera with food. It is related to food poisoning. Don't see in this, I have changed it. Bacteria is related to this food. Cholera is related to food and bacteria is related to decomposition. Okay. Then protozoa is matching with malaria. You know that female Anopheles mosquito is responsible and it is a type of protozoa. Then last, that is virus. Virus is related to polio. Okay. Now come to the next part. Multiple choice questions. Lactobacillus is responsible, is a bacterium, no doubt. Okay. Then which of the following is used to make bread soft and porous? That is yeast. The carrier of malaria causing microbe is female Anopheles mosquito. Which of the following is an antibiotic? So can you search which one is the antibiotic? Yes, penicillin. Then the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol in the absence of oxygen, that we have discussed earlier also. It is fermentation. Then sixth part and the last part is salting of food items help in preservation of removing water from the cell. Okay. So B part is the correct option. I think while doing this 1 marks MCQs and filling the blanks, match the following, you enjoyed a lot. So there are more extra question other than your book. It will give you more practice for these questions. I think you like it and you all will revise the microorganism chapter for test. So thank you and have a nice day.